Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources. Updating daily noontime New York City.
Global economy, November 17, 11:04 America, New York. Autumn statement lays bare the UK's dire economic outlook. Chancellor bites the bullet and announces largest budgetary squeeze since 2010.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
November 17, 11 o'clock America, New York. Stagnant scientific productivity holding back growth. Institutions that fund science have become process-oriented and risk-averse, favoring established researchers pursuing incremental ideas, some critics say.
BBC News Business.
November 17, 10:44 America, New York. State pension to rise by 10.1%, says Jeremy Hunt. Jeremy Hunt also confirms working age benefits will rise with inflation at a cost of £11 billion.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
November 17, 10:29 America, New York. Kamala Harris leads U.S. push to bolster economic ties in Asia. The Biden administration is pursuing closer business ties and higher environmental and labor standards at an APEC summit in Bangkok.
Global economy,
November 17, 9:40 America, New York. UK households set for largest fall in living standards in 6 decades. Office of Budget Responsibility projects 7.1% drop in real disposable household income over 2 years.
New York Times Business.
November 17, 9:36 America, New York. World of Warcraft and other Blizzard games to be pulled from China. Blizzard Entertainment is suspending most of its gaming services in China after failing to renew a licensing deal with NetEase, a Chinese gaming partner. Booths for Blizzard Entertainment video games at the China Digital Entertainment Expo in Shanghai in 2016.
Daily FX Market News. November 17, 9:30 America, New York. US dollar price action setups. EUR, USD, GBP, USD, USD, CAD, USD, JPY. The US dollar is showing tendencies of a turn and hawkish Fed speak as having a helping hand. The big question for DXY is whether EUR, USD has topped.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
November 17, 9:15 America, New York. Jobless claims fell slightly last week. Filings for U.S. unemployment insurance, a proxy for layoffs, remained near historically low levels amid a still tight labor market. New York Times Business.
November 17, 9 o'clock America, New York. Children's groups want FTC to ban unfair online manipulation of kids. Children's privacy and health experts pressed regulators to prohibit video games and social networks from using attention hacking techniques on youngsters.
global economy,
November 17, 8:48 America, New York. Online calculator. How much is your pay rise really worth? Find out what your new take-home pay will be after tax and national insurance.
New York Times Business.
November 17, 8:39 America, New York. New chief calls FTX's corporate control a complete failure. This situation is unprecedented, said John J. Ray III, who helped manage Enron after its collapse in an accounting fraud scandal in 2001.
Daily FX Market News.
November 17, 8:10 America, New York. Breaking news. UK fiscal statement urges citizens to tighten belts, GBP drops. The UK government announced measures to lessen the burden of soaring inflation, which is to be financed via increased taxes for wealthier individuals and energy companies.
The Library of Economics and Liberty.
November 17, 8:05 America, New York. The beauty of gridlock. The November election has split the Senate, which the Democrats won by a very small majority, from the House, which the Republicans won, also by a very small majority, according to AP's call of yesterday.
BBC News Business.
November 17, 7:50 America, New York. What the autumn statement means for you and the cost of living. Chancellor Jeremy Hunt's statement is full of policies that will affect your finances in the coming years.
BBC News Business.
November 17, 7:33 America, New York. Energy help extended but bills still to rise for millions. Typical energy bills will rise to £3,000 per year in April, but the most vulnerable will get extra help.
Marginal revolution.
November 17, 7:25 America, New York. The anti-Promethean backlash. Brink Lindsay has a series of Substack posts on the Great Stagnation. The first to the age of stasis loss aversion. Daily FX Market News.
November 17, 7:05 America New York, Euro, EUR, latest. EUR, USD finding resistance tough to break. The final Euro area inflation release showed headline price pressures in double figures, albeit a fraction lower than originally forecast. EUR, USD's battle with the 200-day moving average continues.
Finance and economics.
November 17, 6:24 America New York. Big emerging market companies worry investors. Are they where markets will break next?
Finance and economics. November 17, 5:21 America New York. Only a revived economy can save China's property industry. But there is at least space for developers to grow.